In this video, I will show you how you as a benefits guru can conduct a video conference with an employee. The first step after logging into your Benefit Guru account is to go to your calendar. From here, you'll go to the Select Company drop-down in the upper left-hand corner. Select the name of the company that you're working on from the drop-down. Once you've selected the company, you'll see all appointments that you're scheduled to conduct. To start the video conference, first click on the name of the employee that you're going to meet with. This will open the payroll deduction authorization. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a video camera. Click here to start your video consultation. After you've clicked the video icon, you'll be taken to the virtual conferencing welcome screen. Here you'll find instructions about all the different functions available during video conferencing. At the bottom, there's also some information regarding troubleshooting. This will be particularly important for attendees logging in on an iPhone. If you are an iPhone user, it's a good idea to check your settings and allow Enrollify access to your camera on Safari. Once you're ready, click Start Meeting. Once you've clicked Start Meeting, you'll automatically be connected to all attendees of the meeting. Immediately, you will see yourself appear on screen. If you get a notification that asks if Enrollify can have access to your video camera, click Yes to allow access. There are many features available to you while video conferencing. You can move any attendee to the large screen by clicking this icon. If you wish to exit full screen, simply click the X in the upper right. If you wish to return to full screen, click the crossed arrows in the upper right. The features and functions within video conferencing are the same for the Benefit Guru and the employee, apart from two items. Firstly, the Benefit Guru has the option to mute all. Should you choose, you can mute all attendees of the video call with this button. You'll see that once it's clicked, mute is turned on for the other attendees. The second feature only available to Benefit Gurus is to pause the recording of this call. You'll see in the upper left-hand corner that this call is being recorded. To pause the recording, simply click the pause button, and to resume, hit record again. If you wish to turn off your video or microphone, do so by clicking either of the icons. They will turn red when the feature is off. If the employee arrives to the video conference prior to the Benefits Guru, they'll receive a message saying that their guru is arriving shortly. Make sure you do your best to get to meetings on time. It's also important that you come to the video session prepared, just like you would for an in-person enrollment appointment. We recommend having all browser windows, applications, or documents you intend to share already open in tabs. Another important feature that can be used by both the Benefits Guru and the employee is the Reconnect button at the bottom of the screen. This button will re-establish your connection should you be having any difficulties. Of course, if anyone on the call has poor mobile signal or limited internet speed, these problems will not be solved by the Reconnect button. However, it can be used to re-establish connection should there be any issues. It's important to note that you or the employee may be experiencing issues because of the web browser you are using. You must be using either Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or Opera in order to conduct these video calls. Internet Explorer is not a supported web browser. As I mentioned, this call will immediately begin recording as soon as you begin. Again, you can see that this is happening by looking in the upper left-hand corner. As soon as the attendees of your video conference arrive, it's important that you not only notify them of the features and functions available within this video conferencing system, but that you also let them know that the video conference is being recorded for quality control. Likely one of the most important features you will use is the screen sharing feature. All parties can share their screen. However, only one party can share at a time. Whoever is sharing their screen will no longer project an image of themselves. The other attendees of the call will only be able to see whatever screen they're sharing, not the individual's face. It's important to tell the attendees that they will no longer be able to see you once you screen share, so that they don't worry that they've lost connection with you. In order to begin sharing, click the share button at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see the option to either share your entire screen, an application window, or your Chrome tab. Choose whichever screen you would like to share, then click Share. This notification will appear at the bottom of your screen whenever you start sharing. You can move it to whatever area of the screen is most convenient for you, but it's important to leave it open so that when you're done sharing, you can click the Stop Sharing button. You'll also see that the video of yourself no longer appears, only a projection of your screen. This is what the other attendees on the call can see. The employee will be able to see your screen twice, both in the large box on the left as well as in the smaller box on the right with your name. In order to avoid confusion, you may want to move the slider in the middle of the screen all the way to the right. which will minimize the attendees either as small as you want them or minimize them completely. From here, you can open any tabs you are going to use to inform the employee about their enrollment benefit options. If at any time you cannot locate the Enrollify tab, simply look for the tab with the red dot. If you want to change the tab you are sharing, simply click Share again. This will again give you the option to choose from sharing your entire screen, an application window, or a Chrome tab. Select from any of these options and click Share. For ease of use, we recommend that you share the entire screen and have any tabs that you want to use available at the top so that you can simply switch from tab to tab, not having to share and reshare different tabs by clicking the Share button again. When you're done sharing, you can click the Stop Sharing button. Now you can readjust the slider so that you can see everyone on the call once again. Prior to ending your session with the employee, be sure to thank them and let them know that they'll be receiving a notification to provide feedback on their interaction with you. You can also let them know that a 5-star rating would be much appreciated. When you're ready to conclude the meeting, click End Meeting in the upper right-hand corner. You'll receive a notification confirming that you want to end this meeting. As soon as you click Yes, a notification will appear asking you to wait until this message closes. Be sure to not exit the screen prior to it closing on its own. You will be returned to the PDA, where you'll see in the upper right-hand corner that the audio from your meeting has been saved. And that is it for how to conduct a video consultation.